Students, welcome back to a new video of Sunanda's tutorial. So in this video we will discuss the previous year MCQs of OUAT entrance examination 2012. So the first question is, a diploid cell contains in its nucleus, right answer is an even number of chromosomes. Which of the following is not a disease? The answer is cretinism. Genetic map is one that it establishes the site of genes on chromosome. It can locate the exact location of the genes on the chromosome. A genetically engineered microorganisms used successfully in bioremediation of oil spills is the species of Pseudomonas. Next question. Which of the following is commonly used in transfer of foreign DNA into crop plant? The right answer is Agrobacterium tumefaciens. Which one of the following plant is monoecious? So the right answer is Pinus. MHC2 may be found in all except, so here the right answer is cytotoxic T cell. Resin and turpentine are obtained from Pinus. Next question. The nerve cord of chordate is, so the nerve cord of chordate is hollow. Which of the following characters differentiate birds and mammals? The right answer is 7 cervical vertebrae. Sarcomere is the distance between, so it is the distance between two Z lines. Which organ forms antibodies? So the right answer is tonsil. Next question. Which of the following is called as a pacemaker? The right answer is SA node. Blackening of urine when exposed to air is a metabolic disorder in human being. This is due to, so the right answer is homogenesic acid. Homogenesic acid. So the right answer is homogenesic acid. Phenylketonuria is a genetic disorder of autosomal recessive gene. Then glucose 6-phosphate dehydrogenase deficiency is associated with RBCs. The limb of insect and leg of birds are analogous with each other. That means different structure and similar in function. Limb of insect, leg of birds. Which of the following is not a part of Darwin's theory of evolution? It is genetic drift. Next question. Sum total of genes in a population is called as gene pool. Here the option D is the correct one. Gene pool. Gene pool. The random genetic drift in a population probably results from, so here the right answer is inbreeding within the population. Darwin's theory states that nature select organisms which can adapt. Glucocorticoids are produced by, so here the right answer is adrenal cortex. Basic unit of classification is species. System of classification used by Linnaeus. So here the correct option is artificial system. Next question is system of classification used by Linnaeus. It is artificial. AIDS is due to, so AIDS is due to the deficiency of T4 lymphocytes. Viroids, what is viroids? So viroids are infectious nucleic acid and prions are only the proteinaceous part of the virus. Okay, next question. Litmus yielding lichen is the Rossella tinctaria. Next question. Interferons are produced in response to the infection of, so right answer is viruses. Virus envelope is known as capsid. It is the outer covering. Next question is interferons are proteins released by the cell in response to viral attack. Protein molecule which render unattacked cell less susceptible to viral attack. So both B and C are correct. Transduction was first studied in. So transduction was first studied in. I think it is Escherichia coli. Next question is, which of the following is the food poisoning and as rod bacterium? So right answer is Clostridium. The growth of tree is faster in, so it is spring, because in spring all the atmospheric parameters are very suitable, optimum for plant growth. Next question, which of the following inhibits the FSS production in female mammal? So the right answer is estrogen. The most common plant hormone, indoleacetic acid or IAA was first isolated from. So it was first isolated from Avena coleoptile. Closure of leaflets of Mimosa pudica is an example of. So here the right answer is thigmotropism or thigmotropism. It means the plant growth or plant's growth response plant growth in response to any external touch. Next question. Photochemical smog is caused by a light mediated reaction between. So here the right answer is NO2, unburnt hydrocarbons. Next question. Cochineal insects are useful for. So here the right answer is cactus control. Tiger is not a resident of in which one of the following national park? It is Gir. Next question. Full form of IRRI is, here the right answer is International Rice Research Institute. Epiphytes are most abundant in a, so epiphytes are abundant in tropical rainforest. Next question. Which of the following aquatic ecosystem has very little primary productivity? It is river. What is deficient in patient of hemophilia A? So the right answer is AHF, anti-hemophilic factor. Next question. A benign tumor is most likely to become malignant. So right answer is several tumor suppressor gene are inactivated by mutation. Next question is, which of the following plants yields a fiber called sawn hemp? So here the right answer is Crotalaria johnsia. Pesticides include insecticide as well as fungicide, nematicides, rodenticides, herbicides. So here right answer is C. Next question. Phylogenetic system of classification refers to the grouping of plants on the basis of, so the right answer is evolutionary trends. Floral diagram fails to indicate epiphyly and epipetally. Asteraceae is now known as composite. Actually composite is now known as, according to the new rule of ICBN, the family names would be end with ACAE. So here the new name of composite is Asteraceae. Okay. Next question. Obligate parasites are those which can survive only in the presence of living host. They cannot survive outside the body of the living host. So here the option A is the correct one. Next question is, early blight of potato is caused by Alternaria solani and late blight is caused by Phytophthora infestans. Next, 184. Symbiotic association between fungus and root of higher plant is called as mycorrhiza. African sleeping sickness in human is caused by. So here the right answer is Trypanosoma gambians. Next question. The shivering of malaria patient occurs when, so the right answer is merozoites are liberated from RCB with toxin. Next question. the bacteria Clostridium botulinum that cause botulism are, so Clostridium is a obligate anaerobe. Plasmids are found in the cell of bacteria or molecules of DNA. Who developed vaccine? Edward Jenner. So he is regarded as the father of vaccine. Which is the first stable product of CO2 fixation in C3 plants? So it is phosphoglyceric acid or PGA, which is a 3 carbon compound. Next question. Emerson effect is associated with photosynthesis. Light reaction of photosynthesis supply the Kelvin cycle with, so the product of light reaction is ATP and NADPH. Site of respiration is mitochondria, and mitochondria is also called as the powerhouse of the cell because it generates ATP, and ATP is known as the energy currency of the cell. End product of citric acid cycle, is CO2 and H2O. These are the products. Synthesis of ATP in mitochondria required. So here it require FMN is a part of electron transport chain. So it can be the answer. Next, pyruvic acid should be produced so that the mitochondria can and it is the first product of glycolysis, and glycolysis is the first step of respiration, so it should be required. So here the answer is very confusing, so I think both the answer can be correct technically. So next question is, respiratory quotient is maximum when the respiratory substrate is malic acid, more than 1. Phenylketonuria is an autonomous recessive disorder located in the chromosome number. So right answer is 12. In metacentric chromosome, centromere is located. So centromere is located at the middle, at or near the middle of chromosome. Sebaceous gland is your holocrine gland. So it is all about the OUAT biology MCQs of OUAT entrance examination 2012. I hope you will get benefit from this video. If you liked it, please hit the like button, share with your other friends, and please subscribe to my channel Sunanda's Tutorial. Thank you.